In this video, I'll show you exactly how to transfer a GoDaddy domain to Hostinger, step by step, without getting lost in menus or missing the important approval step at the end. If you've ever wanted to move your domain over to Hostinger so you can manage everything in one place, this guide will make the process simple. And before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy web hosting and domain tutorials. Let's get started. First, go to GoDaddy and sign into your account. Once you're inside, head over to My Products. This is where all of your domains and services are listed, so take a moment to find the domain you want to transfer. Under the Domain section, locate your domain and click DNS next to it. This takes you into the settings area where you can prepare the domain for transfer. From here, open Domain Settings. One of the most important things you need to do is turn off Domain Lock. If the domain stays locked, the transfer will not go through properly, so make sure this step is completed before moving on. After that, you need to get the authorization code. Depending on GoDaddy's layout, this may also be called an EPP code or transfer code. This code is required by Hostinger to verify that you own the domain and that you're approving the transfer manually. Keep it somewhere safe because you'll paste it in the next part. Now, it's time to start the transfer in Hostinger. Open Hostinger and go to your dashboard. Once you're logged in, navigate to Domains, then Transfers. Here, you should see the option to transfer a domain to Hostinger. Click that option to begin. Next, enter your domain name exactly as it appears in GoDaddy. Then paste in the authorization code you got from GoDaddy. Double check both pieces of information before continuing because even a small typo can stop the transfer from working. Once everything looks correct, click Continue and complete the payment if Hostinger asks for it. This part is normal, since domain transfers usually require a transfer fee that often includes an extension of your domain registration period. After that, go to your email inbox and look for a message from GoDaddy. This email is very important because it contains the transfer approval step. Open the email and click Approve Transfer. This confirms that you want the domain moved from GoDaddy to Hostinger. If you don't approve it, the transfer may stay pending until it times out. Now all that's left is to wait. Domain transfers usually take about 5 to 7 days to fully complete, although sometimes they finish sooner, depending on the registrar and approval timing. During this period, you can keep checking the status in Hostinger so you know when the process is finished. And that's it. You've successfully started and approved a domain transfer from GoDaddy to Hostinger. Once it's complete, your domain will be managed inside Hostinger, making it easier to handle your hosting, DNS, and website settings in one place. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.